so much for tuning in. So today's video is all about the tricks and tips, okay, that I use, okay, to grow my hair. Remember, I shared with you in my previous video that I was going to go on a hair growth journey, and I was going to go on the journey with you and share with you all the tricks and tips, okay, that I've been using to grow my hair, okay, from the high porosity, self-inflicted high porosity, okay, to my normal porosity, okay, hair. And today, the first one I'm going to share with you, okay, is the use of rice water as protein treatment. Okay, if you remember, I did mention rice water as protein treatment, okay, as one of the main tip, okay, to use if you have high porosity hair to care for your hair, okay. And today I'm going to share with you all about it. I'm going to share with you how to make your rice water, how to apply your rice water the right way, okay, to get the best, okay, so that you do not get dry hair. Okay, I know some people are a bit concerned about rice water because they think rice water dries their hair, but that's if you don't use it well, if you don't use it the right way. So today I'm going to show you the right way to use the rice water to grow your hair, okay. And I'm also going to go on a 3 months challenge, 3 months rice water challenge. So that means for the next 3 months I'm going to be applying rice water to my hair, okay. And at the end of the 3 months we're going to measure my hair, the length of my hair, to see how much growth I have gained over the 3 months, okay. Now over the 3 months I'm going to share with you 3 different ways, okay, 3 different ways of using rice water to grow your hair. And today we're going to measure the length of my hair before we apply the rice water. So before the first application, we're going to measure the length of my hair so we know where my hair was before we started using the rice water. And at the end of every month, we will measure the length of my hair to see how much hair I have grown. Okay, so this will be the first part of the video of the first month, okay. We're going to measure the length of my hair, okay, and then at the end of this month, of the first month, we're going to measure the length of my hair as well to see how much hair I've grown. Then next month we're going to use a different method of rice, okay, to grow hair, okay. And then we're also going to measure before and after, okay, obviously. And then the third month will be a different method of using rice to grow your hair. And then at the end of the 3 months we're going to measure to see how much hair I have grown. I am excited. I hope you're excited too. And let me know if you want to go on this journey with me. Join me. Let's go on this journey and you'll be amazed. Rice water is amazing. It's amazing, okay. But like I said, you need to use it the right way. So I'm going to teach you how to do it, okay, how to make the rice water and also how to apply the rice water. Now, before I apply the rice water, I made sure I washed my hair, okay. I washed my hair thoroughly. So like I've always said, before you apply any treatment to your hair, before any treatment, make sure you wash your hair, okay, so that your hair, you get rid of anything that will block your hair from receiving the treatment. So for me, I have washed my hair. I washed my hair before the treatment with this, which is the argan oil, cream of nature argan oil sulfate free shampoo. And I think I've mentioned this to you before, guys. This is what I've used to wash my hair, okay. Make sure you wash your hair properly. But before we go and make our rice water, guys, I want to say a big thank you to all of you once again. Big thank you to all our new subscribers. Oh my goodness, especially our new subscribers from our last 2 high porosity videos. Oh my goodness, I see you, honeys. I see the numbers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And please, if you haven't subscribed already, please do, because then you will know and you will see the results, okay, of, you know, the rice water application at the end of every month, okay. Please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it, okay. So you will see the progress, okay, as I apply the rice water every month. And then at the end of the 3 months as well, you will see how much hair I've grown. You don't want to miss it. This is going to be exciting. So please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, okay? And please get glued to this channel because there's so much coming you don't want to miss, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my returning subscribers as well. You know this girl loves you guys. You know I love you. Thank you. So now, guys, let's go make some rice.
To make our rice water, we need a jar. Also need a cup to scoop our rice with. We need some citrus fruit, which I'm going for clementines, kool-aid, mandarin or tangerines. We also need a bowl to prepare our rice in, and of course we'll need some rice, and also we'll need a cup of water and some essential oils. So first I scoop some rice into the bowl. It doesn't matter the measurement, just a good amount to be able to use it and not waste too much rice. And then I give it a wash, okay, to get rid of all the product that was used to prepare the rice, okay. and then I get rid of the water, and then I put my rice into the jar, okay, and then I add some water to it, and this is what it looks like. It looks pretty already, okay. And then I bring in my citrus fruit. This is just to mask the smell of the rice water, because once it starts fermenting, it starts to smell a bit, so you want to use this to mask it. And I went for clementine because this smells so good. I don't like to use oranges, I prefer this, and if you try this you will know why. So I put all the peels of the clementine in the water, okay, and then I put obviously my fruit away, which I'm gonna eat it later. I'm not gonna waste it or throw it away, okay. And like I said, this smells so good because of the clementines, okay. I prefer that to oranges. And then I bring in, that looks beautiful already, and then I bring in some essential oils, which I'm going for lavender. So I seal it off and then put it in a dark area, okay, and then ferment for 7 days. And this is what you get after 7 days. You can see all that white bit at the top shows that it's fermented, okay, after 7 days. And then I put it in my spray bottle. I've got 2 spray bottles, so you can choose to a smaller one or bigger one. So now I bring all the content into the bowl, okay, and then I take out my clementine peels, okay, and give the rice a good rub to get all the nutrients into the water. And then we get rid of the rice, okay, sieve all the water out, make sure nothing comes in from the rice, okay, just the water. And then I transfer that into my spray bottle, okay. This time I'm going for the bigger spray bottle, okay, and here we go. This is our rice water all ready to be used, and it smells so good, like I said, guys, because of the essential oil and the clementine.
See, that's the start of there. And then we have 6 inches here. So 6 inches, we're going to bring the hair forward, okay, so you can actually see, okay. So should we just say, yeah, should we just say the hair is about 9. Okay, say 8, yes, 8.5. We'll say 8.5 inches, okay? Yeah, 8.5 inches right there, right there, right there. Right there, 8.5 inches. So what I do, I'm going to separate my hair into 2. I normally put my hair in 4 sections, okay. So I'm just going to put the section, 4 section, and then 4 section, okay. And I'm just going to put the back all together and get it out of the way. Then we're going to start working on here, okay. So I've got my rice water here, okay, here we go. And you want to take it in small sections, so I'm going to take it a section at a time, okay. And I'm going to tuck this side back, here we go. So here we go, and that's it. I'm going to start, so you can see, and I'm going to do the ends. So the ends, it's more, and always make sure you got a towel, okay, towel on your side, okay, just to tidy up the mess. Put it on you, okay, and try as much as you can to make sure it's all saturated. Okay, you can see I'm really saturating it and getting it all in there. So that's it, you can see, See that how my hair looks? You see this bit, my natural hair, it's all curly because my hair is quite curly. My natural hair is quite curly, but you can see the damaged bit. Can't be bothered, innit? The damaged bit is not bothered. So yeah, that's my damaged bit for you. It's in its own well. Now I'm going to just, all I do is just twist it. Okay, I just twist the hair and that's it. I leave it alone and then I work on the next section. You can see my hand is all soaked in rice water. So that's it. That's it. And then we move on to the next section. Okay, and then what you do, you just wick your way because you want the rice water on your scalp as well, and then in the hair. Okay, so when you do that, it's actually, you know, you're actually rubbing it on all the strands, and then you go back again. The ends, super important. Guys, this smells so good. This smells extremely good because of the lavender. I can't really smell the rice water. So you can see. Okay, so that's the next one done. So I have done all of it, you can see. I'm just going to just top it all up, just add a bit more. Okay, but you can see everywhere is got, I'll make sure every part of my hair is got the rice water. Okay, so this is it, we're all done. Just cover my hair. Okay, and that's it. Okay, I'm just going to, okay, tuck it in. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go in with my bonnet. Okay, just going to, okay, that's it. And I'm gonna leave this for I'm gonna leave this for 30 minutes. You can do 20 minutes, you can, but at least try, if you can, go for 30 minutes. And that's it. So after 30 minutes, I'm going to give it a wash. I'm going to wash all the rice water out. To wash it out, okay? So let's see how it looks. This is it, guys. So you can see. I like to wash my hair in twist. Okay, it helps to, you know, you get less tangles. Okay, so this is how it looks. You can see the hair looks really nice and soft. We're just going to, let's have a look at just the one. Okay, so this is what you see. The hair feels really soft, feels very soft. I'm not gonna apply any oil right now or moisturizer, so you can actually see how it looks exactly after the wash without anything added. Okay, see, it's very easy to comb through. Look at that. Look, very easy to comb through. No tangles, no tangles. This is what you get. And look, nothing, just that. That's all you see, no breakage. So this is what we have after applying the rice water on the first day. So this will be the first week. I'm going to do this next week as well, and then I'm going to do this 3 more times. So next week, 2 weeks later, and then 3rd and 4th week making it a month, and then we're going to measure, okay, the length of my hair again, the side, same side, and see if there's been any growth. Okay, honey, so this is the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, now you know how to make rice water, you know how to apply it. Okay, and I just want to say something quickly. Okay, please, when after I applied the rice water, after I washed it out, I straight away went and deep conditioned my hair with my homemade deep conditioner. I've got a few videos of homemade DIY deep conditioners. You can check them out on my channel. I've got a few videos. You need to make sure that once you apply your rice water to your hair, deep condition your hair, because rice water can be very drying to your hair. Okay, so make sure you deep condition your hair with very good deep conditioner. Okay, good moisturizing conditioner, because you want to restore all that moisture. You want to make sure there's enough all that moisture, hydration in your hair. And if you have any question about using rice water, please leave your question in the comment section, because I'm going to be doing a Q&A, okay, at the end of the challenge about rice water. So if you have any concern about the use of rice water, please leave it, okay, and I will be sure to answer it all for you. Okay, so you don't have any doubts or any problem regarding the use of rice water, because it's super good for your hair. If you have enjoyed the video, then please give me a big thumbs up. Okay, so it will go far. Okay, so it will go far, it will reach many people. Okay, and don't forget to share. Please share, it might help somebody out there. Okay, and don't forget to put that notification bell on. Put your notification bell on, because you don't want to miss all the good things coming. There's so much coming, okay, and you don't want to miss anything. So please make sure you got your notification on, so when I post the next one, it will come right to you, because you're going to see the results of this rice water application. You're going to see the length that we are going to achieve. Okay, so yes, thank you so much once again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Love you to the moon and back. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.